Hi, my name's Emily and I'm the marketing manager here at Style Sourcebook. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through one of our most favourite and underrated features, our wish lists. Wish lists are specific folders that you can create and save different products that you see when you may be browsing through the product library and find a product that you want to use at a later time. The wish lists are located on the My Wishlist tab of your profile. Create a wish list by clicking on the Create a New Wishlist button. We recommend naming these wish lists as project names, names of rooms, or even a wish list of your go-to products that you always reach for in projects. If you wish to edit or delete a wish list, click on Edit Wish List and then either change the name or delete it. To save a product to your wish lists, head to the product library and click on the Save Product icon on the product. Once you click that, a drop-down menu of your wish list will appear. Select the wish list that you'd like the product to go in, or create a new wish list to save it to a new wish list folder. These wish lists can also be used within the mood board tool. Head to the Saved Products tab and all of your wish list folders will appear here. Browse through your folders to find products to drag and drop onto the mood board canvas. A quick tip, if your folder has lots of products in it, use the search bar to quickly find your desired saved product. Thank you for watching. Be sure to watch our product selection video for more guidance on finding products for your projects.